Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing, guys? So, squad, you have to revise some basic concepts with me. Inshallah, we will discuss all concepts of English slowly. But before this, let me tell you a joke. Really, a joke. There was a man who just learned three words in the order yes, no, and well. After learning them, he got a job interview with an Englishman and consoled him with three words. You know how? The Englishman asked, "Man, will you work hard?" He answered, "Yes." Englishman asked, "Will you shirk work?" He replied, "No." Englishman said, "I can pay you 3,500 per month." He replied, "Well." Hearing the answers, he was hired. Obviously, English does not come from these three words, but it is also important to understand the questions asked. What happened to this man? A few days later, the watch of the British employer was stolen. A few days later, he first called the new employee. "Have you stolen my watch?" he asked. That man said, "Yes." Englishman asked, "Will you return it to me?" He replied, "No." Englishman told him, "I am going to hand you over to police." He said, "Well." And so poor man went to jail after his incomplete knowledge. And so poor man went to jail for his incomplete knowledge. Of course, now that you understand the importance of English with this little example. Of course, now that you understand the importance of English with this little example. So basic of English is letters or alphabets. Letters or alphabets are A, B, C, D to Z. And then it comes to words. Words mean like sky is a word. Like is also a word. Then it comes to sentences. Like I say, sky is blue. Sky is blue is a sentence. Sentence is composed of subject, verb, object. Subject is who does the action. Helping verb can also comes at the place of verb. Verb is what is the action. Object on which action is performed. Now, what I am going to do is just to write some sentences and you have to identify the subject, verb or helping verb and object by yourself. And you know what is the super exciting thing is that I'm going to write these sentences according to tenses so that you may got your tenses revised. So let's start. And one more thing, I'm going to give answer of this exercise in the last, so solve it verbally and check your answer at the last. I know you all have heard a lot about tenses, so I'm giving you a short recall. So tenses, there are four kind of tenses: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. And sentences in simple tense. First of all, we come to present tense. She boils an egg. Now you have to identify what is subject, verb and object in she boils an egg. She boiled an egg. She will boil an egg. Now continuous. Present. I am waiting for my result. Past continuous tense. He was speaking the truth. Future continuous tense. The stars will be shining in the sky. Perfect. You have to identify the subject, object and verb in all the sentences which I am speaking and which I have already given. Now we come to perfect tense. First of all, present perfect tense. You have subscribed the channel. Have you subscribed the channel? If you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe the channel. You shall. Students had attends the class. Student had attended the class. Student had attended the lectures. Now, future perfect tense. You shall have spoken English. We will speak about perfect continuous tense in the next lecture because now I think it's enough. Now I am going to show the answers. So check your answers and let me know in the comments that you have solved the exercise verbally. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.